So we were discussing about color models. So we have two different color. One is the color of light and other is the color of the pigment. So color sensor present in a human eye, cones for color vision. So primary colors are red, green, blue, and 65% of cone which are present in human eye are sensitive to red, and 33% of the cones are sensitive to green, and 2% are sensitive to blue, but blue is the most sensitive cone. When these primary colors when the primary colors red, green and blue are mixed in a proper proportion, different colors can be formed. As you can see here, red and green, this is red and this is green, mixed to form a yellow color. And when red and blue is mixed, it is forming a magenta color. And when this green and blue is mixed, it is forming a cyan color. And when this all the colors are mixed, it is forming a white color. So primary colors, when mixing all the primary colors, it is forming a white color, while by mixing you can see yellow, magenta and cyan, it is not forming white, it is forming black color. So all the secondary colors when mixed, it is they form black color, when while all the primary colors when mixed are forming a white color. So primary colors can be added together to form the secondary color magenta, cyan, yellow. Here cyan, magenta, yellow mixing together will not form a white light but forms a black color. If each of this color, that is red, green, blue, are represented using 8 bits, that is red is represented using 8 bits and green is represented using 8 bits and blue is represented using 8 bits. So total different colors will be 2 to power of 24. 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24. So our monitor may not be able to represent this 2 to power of 24 colors as it is a very large quantity, but most of the cases uses safe RGB model. Instead of using RGB model, most of the monitors uses safe RGB model. So what it is instead of using 2 to power 24 different colors, number of different colors used is 216. This 216 colors can be generated using 6 different colors of red, 6 different colors of green and 6 different colors of blue. So we have 216 colors in almost all the color displays. So this RGB useful for the display purpose, as we have already discussed that RGB is used for display purpose in CMYK or CMY, used for printing or scanning or for printing all purposes. For printing, CMY model is used. Conversion from, so we need to convert this RGB to CMY. So as we know that RGB model was something like this cube. Cube was there, and we have this axis, and all this 111 was representing white, and this 100 was representing blue, and this was green 010, and this is red, that is 001. So as n00 was representing black, so the colors was in between range. This red was in between range 0 to 1. Similarly blue was in range between 0 to 1, and so color was normalized between 0 to 1, and RGB was a coordinate represented using a coordinate system. So conversion from RGB to CMY is given by CMY is equal to 111 minus RGB. Here RGB are in normalized form, that is between 0 to 1. So generated CMY is also in normalized form. So when mixing, CMY generates muddy black, as we have already seen. So to handle this, as we have another color that is black, to handle this we can add a black component with CMY to lead CMYK, where K is black. So RGB can easily convert it to in CMY, and reverse is also true. So in this class we have discussed how to convert RGB to CMY, and in next class we will be discussing how to convert HSI model to RGB or RGB to HSI. Thank you.